What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online for beginners with a great strategy. Now, I've been making money online for quite some time now. In fact, recently I just got one of these platinum awards here for making quite a bit of money on one specific platform. For this specific method, you won't need to build a complicated website, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you what you actually need in this video. Okay, so it's all set up for you, ready to go. You can actually use it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it in this video. But more importantly, you don't need to spend days, months creating a complicated website so you could go and make money online. And this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you everything that you need to know so you can make money online with this method. Now, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I bring out videos every single week, and make sure you tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. So now let's jump into this tutorial, and I will show you exactly how you can make over $100 per sale with this specific strategy. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do, if you haven't already, now I know a lot of you guys probably already have a ClickBank account, but what you want to do is you want to head over to clickbank.com and you want to sign up for an account. So you just click sign up here. It'll take you to the sign up page, and you can sign up as a ClickBank affiliate, and you can promote products online and get a commission. It's really, really easy to do. Now, once you've signed in, you want to come over to here and you want to make sure you're in the marketplace, and you want to go down and you want to click on health and fitness. Now, the reason you want to do this is because the health and fitness niche is one of, if not the most profitable niche on ClickBank, and this is where you can make your money the fastest. Now, what I've done in this tutorial is I've picked a product as an example, and the one that I've picked is this one here. And let me go over some stats. So essentially, there's all of these health products down here that some are successful, some are not successful, but the one at the top usually is the most popular one right now that people are making good money from. And to promote this product, all you do is click promote and go generate hop link, and you get this custom link. Now, what you want to do with this particular product is you want to click on the affiliate page down here, okay? And on the affiliate page, it's got all of this information that you can use. You want to promote a product that has information. So they've got top converting emails if you need them. They've got different landing page options, ad resources, and commission details. And so, for example, these are some of the emails that they can give you if you want to do email marketing. So you don't have to go and create your own emails. Now, in this case, we need to do something a little bit different. So we're not just going to go and get our affiliate link and start sending traffic to this. What you need to do is create a funnel, which I'm actually going to supply to you in this video. We're going to get to that in a minute. But essentially, most health products are all the same. They do the same thing. They help people lose weight, but there's different types of products that come out, and there's different types of products that convert better than others, okay? And you can also create a custom link here by putting in your custom ClickBank ID and then agreeing to the terms. You can generate a custom hop link here. So you can get different types of pages, but we're not going to need to do that in this case. And you can actually go and check out what it is. So this is the product here, and then a button will show up when the video is finished. But yeah, there's lots of different types of products that you can promote. But for this one, you want to go for this one because this one right here is a gravity of 561. That means that over 500 people have made a sale with this product recently. They're paying out an average of $136 per sale. So it's really, really good product. Now, the thing is, right, this product has, so they've got over 500 EPCs, 210 average order value. It's a really good product. And they've got a 75% instant commission. Now, the problem with this, and the problem with most fitness products, is they don't have their own funnel that they can give you, okay? It's extremely difficult. Like, you can't just go like this. You can't just go promote, get an affiliate link. This is your affiliate link here, and start sending traffic to it. Because most of the time, it's not going to work. You need like a bridge page in between. You need something in between that you can either collect emails, or you can either have a quiz and just pre-sell people. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video, okay? I'm going to actually give you an actual page that I use myself to promote a lot of these products, okay? And I'll show you how to set it up and how it all works. So this is the product. You get all of your stuff that you need, like your resources and everything like that, okay? Very, very simple. I don't know if I click on Facebook. Yeah, so it says use a landing page or quiz in between the ad and offer. So they're essentially saying, whatever you do, whatever product you promote, whatever traffic source you use a landing page in between. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And then that's the same page. And then this is the product. And then this is kind of the information that they give you. So the next step is the funnel. Now, this is called clickfunnels.com, and this is where I have my funnels, and I actually can share this with you so you can download it. So all you got to do is click the link in the description, and there'll be a link where you can get this funnel. Okay, you can go and get this right now, but you have to have ClickFunnels, and I'll also leave a link below for that. Now, if we look at this funnel right here, edit page, this is called a bridge page. So it's something that goes in between. We send our traffic to this page instead. And you'll notice something here. It says ancient Japanese toxic mounts 55 pounds of fat. Over here, I say ancient Japanese tonic, mounts pounds of belly fat. So the headline is very similar. You want to make it very, very similar so it's congruent. And then take this short 45-second quiz to see if you qualify. Now, I'm going to show you this page real quick. And the reason we take people through a quiz is because we're warming them up to make a purchase, okay? So the first one is, what is your gender? I'm a male. The next one is, what is your age? I'm in my 40s. Are you lean, average, overweight? How often do you exercise? Never, because I don't, because I'm just useless. Anyway, and how much processed foods do you eat a day? 1 or less. How would you rate your skin? Occasional blemishes. Do you drink alcohol? Never. Do you often have how often do you have bowel movements? Once every other day. And then how much water do you drink per day? And then I'm going to click on this, and then how often do I feel tired? And it's going to take us through to analyzing the results. Now this is probably going to go through. So this actually goes through to another page where we actually collect an email. Okay, so we've actually set this up here. And this is the page that collects the emailers down here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this page so it goes directly to the offer. Okay, so you want to go back to here, you want to go promote, and you want to get this link, generate hop link, copy this link, go back to here, you want to edit this by clicking on here, you want to go to edit survey options, and you want to go to outcomes. If you want to change the survey options, you just click on here and you can change the text. I'm going to go to outcomes. Okay, I'm going to go default action outcome, and I'm going to change this custom redirect right here to your affiliate link. Okay, and then I'm going to click, just leave that, I think, go cross it, and then go save. Now, if I go and preview this right now, okay, you'll see, we'll do this, I'll go through this real quickly again so we can go quickly. And you can change all of these settings, guys. Like, you can change it all to whatever you want. Now, it should redirect to that product, and it does, okay? And then here's the product down here. We would get a commission when people purchase this product, okay? It's a really nice landing page, and everything is all good. So I literally just showed you how to set up a simple quiz page based off my template in like literally 2 minutes, okay? So that's how you set up the quiz. You download it, you can change all of this text and stuff, but the most important thing is to click on here, go to edit survey options, go to outcomes, go to default outcome actions, and put your affiliate link in the custom redirect. So now what we do is we go back, I'll leave, and this now here is the is the link that I send my traffic to. So this, remember, you can get a free funnel from here, but if I go and put this into here and I click thing, it's going to now take me to the live page that's ready to be used, and people can go through the steps. Okay. Now this is a very simple quiz funnel. It doesn't need any fancy things, but it works extremely well. We're pre-qualifying people to purchase these products. Okay. Now the next important thing, so you can get all of this stuff below, guys, but the next important thing is traffic. What type of traffic do you use to get to this page? Okay. Now, in most cases, when you click on the affiliate page here, it's going to tell you what type of traffic that works the best. Okay. So there's quite a few different traffic sources, but I will show you the two that are working the best for us right now. Okay. Now, The first traffic source is Facebook ads. So you go to here and you go to create Facebook ads. Now, I'm going to leave a video below on how you can create Facebook ads based on this quiz funnel. I've already done it before. There's no point to me showing you again. Now, this is probably the #1 traffic source that's working really well right now. Now, the second traffic source that we are really loving right now and is working extremely well for these types of offers is Pinterest ads, okay? So what you do is you go to pinterest.nz business and then hub. Now, before we start getting into the ads, we need to actually go to fiverr.com and we need to get a few things. Well, one thing. So you want to go to this person's profile here. And what he does is he actually creates images for these products. So the thing is, these crazy types of images is what gets people's attention with these types of ads that we're going to be doing. Okay. Now, we are kind of testing these on Pinterest right now. Some are working, some are not. But he will do Pinterest ones as well. All you do is you can simply buy a pack. So I would probably buy like 5 colored illustrations, $60. You buy a pack, you tell him the product that you're promoting, and he will go and design these images based off the product. So here's one that I have here. I have a lot. I buy them off him all the time. You can actually see up here my orders. So I buy them quite often. So here. So I'm actually buying this stuff all the time. Okay. And that's what you want to go and buy. Now, let me show you how to set up a simple Pinterest ad that you can go and use to run traffic to this thing. Okay. So the first step you want to do, I have my Pinterest stuff, is you want to go to ads and you want to go to create an ad. Okay. Now with these products, okay, really the fastest and quickest way to make money is, and the reason why there's 500 people making money with this right now, is advertising. Okay, there's no other way where you can make money quickly with these types of health products. Okay, and the main traffic source is Facebook, and we're testing out Pinterest and having some success with that. So the first step you want to do is you want to go to consideration, and that's how we're gonna drive traffic. Okay, then you want to go down and you want to name your campaign. I'm going to name it CB Health Test, just for this video. Now, keep in mind that you are going to have to spend some money and you are going to have to run some tests. You might not be successful at the start, but that's okay. That's business. Now go down and we want to have a daily budget. I would recommend starting with maybe $10 per day. Okay, $5, $10, maybe 20 at the most. Don't go any more than that when you're starting. And you want to run your ad consistently. Now go to continue. Now what we want to do is we want to find new customers, okay? And there's a few target strategies that we can do. We can upload a custom audience list, which we won't be doing. What we're going to be doing is keywords and interest, okay? So for example, so let me explain to you how Pinterest works real quick. Okay, so Pinterest has 2 ways of basically showing ads. You can show ads to people who type something specific in the search bar, or you can do ads to people that in these specific categories, so like motivation, education stuff, and it's essentially the same. But what it does is we do search ads because it's more targeted, okay? But it really just depends on what you want to do. So what I want to do is I want to go into here and I want to go health or weight loss or something like that, and we're going to put in healthy recipes, eating good, health tips, and I actually might go lose weight. It might not actually have a category on that. So healthy lose weight, best way to lose weight drinking. So you've got all of these specific keywords that we can target. We've now got an audience of 1.5 million active monthly users. Now, don't do a lot of keywords. We recommend only doing up to 10, okay? And then start your ads. Now, you can also just do interest if you want, but the thing is, with keywords, it's going to go to people who are specifically searching that in Pinterest. Pinterest is a big search engine. So for a beginner, you definitely want to do keywords only. Then experiment and play around with interests later, okay? And then go down here, and demographics is pretty straightforward, okay? With demographics, you can simply change the locations, language, and devices. And that's self-explanatory. Like you can change all of that stuff. Now, optimization and delivery, leave it on automatic. And then ads, we want to create a pin. Now, this, I've actually uploaded, I've got a Facebook format here. It's not the right format, but if I go to edit pin, you can get these different types of formats, okay? So when you actually get your image, the guy that does the image for you will do the right format, okay? Now, keep in mind that you might be like, why does this person have no eyes and mouth? These work. People actually click on them because the reason is it's a really bright image and it creates curiosity for the ad and for people to, for this thing, right? People want to actually click and find out what this is. So that's why we do these types of things. So I'm just going to cancel that. And what you want to do is you want to write in your title. Now you want your title to be the same as your funnel here. So this one here, you want it to be the same. It needs to be the same. It needs to be congruent. Okay. And then you want to put in a description. Now, the description doesn't really matter too much. This is an ad. Most people are not going to see that description, okay? So I'm just going to put in anything here. And then you want to go publish. And what this is going to, select a board, sorry. So you want to create a board. I'm just going to go make my line. And then destination link. This is where you're going to put your link. And you want to put your link, you want to put this link here, or you want to go and actually create a website and have a proper website link, okay? And I'm going to paste that into here and then go publish. Now, what that's done is that's creating a pin right here. And we now have this pin that we can actually run advertising to. And then all I do is I click on this pin and I go publish, and it's going to publish an ad. Now, I'm not going to do that right now, but it's going to publish an ad. And then we're going to get all of these stats, all of these analytics that we can use, and we can see, the sales. So, we can see sales coming in by going back to here, and you can go to your reporting and accounts and stuff like that, and you'll be able to see sales coming in. But the most important part from this training and this takeaway from this training is you want to make sure you're doing this with the top products that are making the most money in the industry right now. All right, guys, if you want some more tutorials on how to make money online, I will leave them up on the screen. Online, and you want to use the best traffic sources, and right now we're having success with Pinterest, but Facebook is really the main one for these particular products. So what I'm going to do now is I'll leave some videos up on the screen showing you how you can run Facebook ads with offers like this, and I'll also leave some other videos up on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the screen.